What if getting into your truck bed became effortless in just one step? Meet the Tommanic F150 Bedstep, a simple yet game-changing upgrade for pickup truck owners. Designed for quick and safe access to your truck bed, this smart step folds out easily when you need it and stays hidden when you don't. Built with strong, durable materials, it supports heavy weight while giving you stable footing in any condition. Whether you're loading gear, tools, or cargo, it saves time and reduces strain on your body. No more awkward climbing or slipping. The Tommanic Bedstep brings convenience, safety, and practicality together, making every job easier in 2026.
What if your pickup truck could protect cargo and look tougher at the same time? Meet the Switchback Headache Rack, a smart pickup truck invention built for strength, safety, and utility. Designed to protect the rear window from shifting cargo, this heavy-duty rack adds an aggressive off-road look while improving everyday functionality. Its durable steel construction handles demanding work conditions with ease, making it perfect for hauling ladders, tools, and oversized gear. The modular design also allows extra accessory mounting for lights and equipment, giving your truck even more versatility. Tough, practical, and built for serious truck owners, the Switchback Headache Rack is the upgrade every hard-working pickup deserves.
What if your truck could look tougher, safer, and unstoppable in just one upgrade? Meet the YZona Superduty bumpers, the ultimate upgrade for serious pickup truck owners. Built with heavy-duty steel, these bumpers are designed to handle extreme impacts while giving your truck a bold, aggressive look. Whether you're off-roading, towing, or working on tough job sites, YZona delivers unmatched protection and durability. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit, while the reinforced structure adds confidence on every drive. It's not just a bumper, it's a statement of power, safety, and reliability. If you want your truck to stand out in 2026, this is the upgrade that changes everything.
What if towing your trailer became safer, smarter, and perfectly balanced every time? Meet the Waysafe Adjustable Hitch, the ultimate towing upgrade for pickup truck owners. This intelligent hitch lets you easily adjust height for perfect trailer alignment, ensuring a smooth and controlled towing experience. Built with heavy-duty steel, it's engineered for maximum strength, durability, and long-lasting performance. What makes it stand out is the built-in scale that helps you monitor tongue weight in real time, reducing sway and improving road safety. Whether you're hauling equipment, boats, or trailers, this hitch gives you total confidence on the road. In 2026, smarter towing starts with Waysafe.
What if your Toyota Tundra looked like a full-blown off-road beast straight from the future? Meet the Go Rhino upgrade for the Toyota Tundra, a rugged pickup truck invention designed to combine aggressive styling with serious durability. From heavy-duty bumpers to premium protection accessories, Go Rhino transforms the Tundra into a tougher, more capable machine built for adventure. Engineered with high-strength materials and precision fitment, these upgrades improve both functionality and appearance while handling harsh off-road conditions with ease. Whether you're hitting rocky trails or dominating city streets, Go Rhino gives the Toyota Tundra a bold, powerful presence that instantly stands out from the crowd.
What if stepping into your truck became safer, easier, and more stylish instantly? Meet the Sunsrew Bronco sidesteps, the perfect blend of function and rugged style for your pickup. These heavy-duty sidesteps are designed to give you safe, stable access to your truck, even in tough conditions. Built with high-strength materials, they can handle serious weight while resisting wear, rust, and rough terrain damage. The anti-slip surface ensures secure footing in rain, mud, or snow. Beyond practicality, they add a bold off-road look that enhances your truck's overall appearance. Easy to install and built to last, Sunsrew sidesteps bring comfort, safety, and confidence to every drive in 2026. What if your truck bed could turn into a secure, weatherproof storage in seconds? Meet the Most Plus Tundra Tonneau cover, a must-have upgrade for every serious pickup owner. This durable cover instantly transforms your truck bed into a secure, weather-resistant storage space, Built with tough, high-quality materials, it protects your cargo from rain, dust, and theft while improving your truck's overall aerodynamics. The sleek design not only adds a clean, professional look, but also boosts fuel efficiency on long drives. Easy to install and simple to use, it's perfect for daily work or weekend adventures. If you want protection, style, and performance combined, Most Plus delivers it all in 2026.